I'm Radona from Boys and Girls Hairstyles. Today I have the sweetest, cutest little gal with me, and her name is Nevaeh, which is heaven backwards, huh? Super special. Anyway, that is the sweetest name, Nevaeh. Anyway, Nevaeh decided to take some scissors to her hair, so we're gonna do a video on how to blend hair when little gals cut it, because that happens more often than we know. So we're gonna bring the length up a little bit. Some people like to go way short. We want to keep her length, so I'm going to show you how to blend all of that. Okay, so Nevaeh, if you'll just put your head, can you look down here at this blue right there? She's like, ooh, I like the mirror. Okay, so put your head down, boop, boop, boop. Your chin right here. Okay, so she's awesome. She just put her chin down. So we're going to bring the length. She still wants length, but we're going to bring the length up a little bit here. So we're just going to go across. Okay, same thing. We're just going to hold this down. Come straight across. I was telling her mom, the awesome thing about this is her hair will still be long, but it is going to grow like crazy now. When you get that hair off, it is unbelievable how it grows. Okay, now we're gonna tilt your head this way. Good girl. Okay. Come this way, she really likes the mirror. Perfect, thanks Ellie. Okay, so I'm gonna hold this down, come straight across there. Good job, Nevaeh, you're doing awesome. Okay, tilt your head. Good girl. Okay, come straight across there. All right, now, now your chin down one more time. Perfect, good job. I'm just gonna get the other side. Okay, put your chin down one more time, down here. Boop, boop, boop. Here, we'll turn it this way.
Put your chin on the green.
Yeah, can you put it right there? Put your chin down. Yeah, good job. Okay, perfect. So now we have both sides, and we're going to, because this was chopped over here, we're gonna blend this and then we're gonna come on this side and blend it, okay? Now she's growing out her bangs, so we're gonna come on this side, and you can see where the bang is. We're going to just take this little corner off right there. Just gonna blend this in. So you see this short, so we're just gonna take that little bit off there. Just so there's not that really long piece in the front there. Okay, I'm gonna come up this way and meet up with that. I'm just gonna come, you can see how the angle is going up there. And then that's the length. So we're just going to connect it with the length. That will blend so much better, especially where it's long. I love that she let us bring the length up a tiny bit, because somebody's gonna, when people look at her, they're not gonna be like, oh, that little girl cut her hair. It will look blended. So it won't be like, oh, a big deal at all. It'll just be a cute little style. All right, so from this side and her bangs, she's growing these out. Same thing here. We're just gonna come down and take that off so it matches the other side. You doing good, sis? You're doing awesome. Are you having fun? She's like, well, let me think about that one. Okay. All right, just open and shut the shears. So I come down this way. Turn this way so you can see. And then of course, when we're done, if we need to make any different, you know, cuts, if we need to take this side shorter, we sure can. But you just kind of want to wait until after you dry it to see. Bless you. Okay, cute girl, let's see. Let's see. See, that's already blending a lot better. Okay, I'm gonna take a tiny bit more on this side. So yes, there are definitely ways to save your daughter's hair when she chops it off. Happens a lot more than anybody thinks. I was so happy that they let me record it. Okay, take this side a little bit shorter. And that's the thing, you guys can, you know, just grab both sides, make sure they're the same length. Okay, so what I'm going to do is dry it, and then we'll be back in a second after we dry it. And then if we need to do any touch-ups, then we will after it's dry. So I'll see you in 1 second. All right, so we are back. We have her hair dried. I'm gonna turn her around so you guys can see. Now you can see that it looks like it's layered over here from the cut. So what we're going to do is, so if you have like the shorter layers over here, I'm gonna show you how to blend this side in with it, okay? You're gonna take this top layer of the hair and you're gonna hold it up here. Okay, so you can see those layers just dropped. I'm letting that drop a little bit longer over here, just because I'm not going as short with the layers, if that makes sense. We're gonna try it this way first. So I'm gonna take this off, just so it has some layers on that other side. So cute. Okay, so you can see those layers through here a little bit. So I am gonna bring them up a little bit more, little bit shorter, but that's what I'm saying. Just go a little bit longer at first. You don't wanna just chop it off all at once. So you can see these layers over here. See that, where those layers start? So I'm not gonna go quite to that, but I am gonna go a little bit more than the last time I did it. And what's nice is adding these layers in, it's not taking length. So if you're worried about length, it's okay. It won't take the length part of the hair off. It's just going to blend the sides with the back. Okay, so I'm gonna show you in the back. You can see how there's layers and then there's layers up here now. Now I'm just gonna take this hair and go from, okay, so that's the length that's falling out. That's the layer. We're just gonna take that little corner off, and that will blend those layers that she's cut in there so well. It's gonna blend them. Okay, so same thing. All that's falling out is the length, so we're not taking length, remember. We're just taking that through that area. A little bit of layering. Oh, so cute. Okay, and then right here, we're just gonna make sure this is even. Because obviously some of these layers over here, they're going to just fall out because they're already shorter than the other layers. Okay, now if you have like texturizing shears, what I would do is where this is blunt, I would just take those and just kind of do this. That's just gonna blend those a little bit better, just so it's not so blunt. Okay, and you just need a little bit, just so it kind of blends that just a tiny bit better. There we go. Okay, now let's see. Oh, you're just so darling, aren't you? Now, this side's a little bit longer still. Do you want to just leave it like that? You know what I mean? It's just how it grows out, and then we can even it out. Okay, perfect. Okay, we're gonna do that. Now, I'm just gonna turn that. See, you can just see how that like feathers in a little better. So it's not like there's just short layers over there. Now there's some layering into that side. So, ta-da! Or you're done. Does that feel better, sis?
Yeah.
Does it? Good, I'm so glad. Yeah, I just dried this. That is cute. How does that look to you, Mom? Is that okay? Do you feel like you need,
Yeah.
is that enough layering on that side?
I think so.
Do you, okay. And that's the thing too, you guys, where she wants to keep it long, you know what I mean? Just kind of grow it out a little bit. You can come back and even it out a little more, just so it's not all at once. Because this is probably enough for you in one day. She's probably like, oh, my daughter's hair. But this looks good now. It doesn't look like it's totally chopped and then way long. So, okay, I'm gonna turn her around one more time. Oh, good, you're gonna show me your cute little stuffed animal. Can you tell them bye-bye? Bye-bye. There she goes. Thank you, sis. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Hopefully that helped you on how to taper when a little gal cuts her hair off. So let me know if you have any questions. We'll talk soon. Thanks. See ya.